As your business grows, so does your product catalog. And before long, navigating through lengthy product lists can consume your seller's valuable time. Microsoft Copilot in Dynamics 365 Business Central revolutionizes the process of creating sales orders, invoices, and quotes. Imagine you receive an email from a customer with a list of items they would like to purchase. With Copilot, you can simply copy the details and paste them directly into Business Central. Copilot then identifies the products in the email conversation and uses the item details, variants, and attributes in your catalog to suggest matching products. Some orders are based on what you've sold before, so you can also reference a previous order to have Copilot find those items for you. Or you can describe the goods or services needed with just a few words. Based on your input, Copilot suggests line items from your product catalog, streamlining the order-taking process. Select the suggested items, finalize the order, and you're done. It's that simple. By improving order entry, Copilot frees time for sales teams to focus on building relationships and delivering exceptional customer experiences. Work smarter, not harder, with Copilot in Business Central.